bumida sa pinakabagong edisyon ng Philippine Sports Writers Association o PSA Forum nitong Martes, ang isasagawang Philippine Golf Convention ngayong weekend sa Marriott Hotel. Layo ng GolfCon 2025 na mas palaksin pa ang golf tourism dito sa bansa. Ito po ang aking ula. Sa pangunguna ng Department of Tourism at ng South Pacific Events and Marketing Company, ilulunsad ngayong weekend ang Philippine Golf Convention o GolfCon 2025 sa Marriott Hotel sa Pasay City. Bit-bit ang temang Let's Golf in the Philippines. Target ng GolfCon na ibandera ang ating golf courses at ipromote ang bansa bilang top golf destination sa mundo. Sa naging pagbisita ni na DOT Office of Golf Tourism Director Lyle Uy at GolfCon 2025 organizer Jesse Guerrero sa Philippine Sports Writers Association o PSA Forum nitong Martes, sinabi nila na tiwala sila na pausbong na ang industriya ng golf dito sa Pilipinas.
We really want to see the game grow in the country and promoting the different golf courses, the different local brands that we want. And that's how we what is the theme of the 2025 GolfCon.
When you talk about golf tourism, it doesn't really limit you to the foreign players, but also to the domestic players we have here. So participating in this kind of events really help boost the golf industry. So hopefully we can get more players, both domestic and foreign, to travel around the country and see the other golf courses that we have.
Bukod naman sa golf tourism, magkakaroon din ng libreng golf clinic at ng masterclass kung saan pwedeng matuto mula sa mga world-class coaches at players. Kaya inaanyayahan ni Guerrero at Uy ang lahat ng mahilig sa golf na suportahan ang golf convention.
If you're a newbie trying to learn golf, this is the perfect time. Come by, say hi to everyone, come look for me, say hi. If you're already getting into the sport and you want to improve, gain improvement, the coaches are there to help. The gear and the equipment are there.
Please attend our GolfCon. You know, it will actually be a good experience for everyone. And for us in the Department of Tourism, of course, we want to ask for your support in actually going around the country and visiting our other golfing sites. And through GolfCon, you can find ways on how to do it.
Daryl Oclares para sa Atletang Pilipino para sa Bagong Pilipinas.